Hey guys, Norm with Bearable Traders. It's Tuesday, October 1st, 2019. Pretty much one and done for today. Asterisk on that with thought I got a bad fill, got out, and then got back in. So anyway, Apple was pretty much the same setup as yesterday. There was really good volume pre-market. At the open, relative volume was high. It's gapping up still on good news, gapped up a little bit this morning. Sold off just a little bit. I figured there might be a little bit of profit taking. Dropped down to just under 225. It had been over 225 all morning. Dropped under 225, quickly came above it. As it recaptured 225, I got into it. I got kind of a bad fill. I thought I was going to get filled right at 225. I got filled about 10 cents higher, and it was still bouncing. I ditched that trade. And then I realized it wasn't going to go back below 225, so I got back into the same spot. It was 225.10. Target, first one was approached to 226 on this breakout of this ABCD. I went ahead and took this. This was a little bit early, 225.76. But I knew that this 226 number, if I show you the daily, and I go to the current time, 226 was right around the top of this, and I was concerned that it might slow down there, so I wanted to lock in some profits before it got to the tip of this, the wick on this daily candle from its most recent high in early September. So took some out then. Once it got past that, I waited till we hit 227, scaled out a little bit there. These are perfect ABCD patterns all the way up. Next one was 227.25-ish as it busted to a new high and then slowed down a little bit on the half number, 227.50. I had this level mark, 228.23. It was a daily level from last fourth quarter, right around the same time period when Apple was making new all-time highs in the low 230s. So I had a little bit left. I took it off at 228.23. Essentially a one-and-done day for me today. The reason for that is also that my son is sick, so I'm going to be spending the rest of the day with him. That's why I trade. Gives me that flexibility. And day's over with. So anyway, thanks for watching. Trade safe, and I'll see you tomorrow morning in the pre-market show.